PROMOVA Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of PROMOVA, a platform designed to help businesses and individuals create and manage their marketing campaigns with ease. If you're looking for a tool that simplifies your marketing process and enhances your reach, PROMOVA might be the solution you're seeking. PROMOVA is designed for anyone involved in digital marketing, whether you're a small business owner, an influencer, or part of a larger marketing team. It offers a range of features that make it easy to build and manage campaigns across various channels, from email marketing to social media ads. One of the standout features is the Campaign Builder, which provides templates for creating effective ads and content that engage your audience. These templates are highly customizable, allowing you to match your brand's unique style. The platform also offers detailed analytics, helping you track the performance of your campaigns in real time. This makes it easy to see what's working and what needs adjusting, allowing you to optimize your marketing strategy quickly. With tools for automating tasks, such as sending out emails or scheduling posts, PROMOVA saves you time while ensuring that your campaigns are running smoothly. Another great feature is its integrations with popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads, which means you can manage your campaigns from a single dashboard. The user interface is intuitive, and you don't need to be a marketing expert to get started. Whether you're creating ads, analyzing metrics, or automating tasks, PROMOVA simplifies the process, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned marketers. Overall, PROMOVA offers a comprehensive solution for digital marketing, with an easy-to-use interface, powerful features, and integration options. If you're looking for a platform that streamlines your marketing efforts and boosts efficiency, this tool is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.